Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I think just yesterday I made a video on this, and I said in that video this would be a really good one to clone. And it wasn't called part one because I didn't expect to make part two, but if you see this picture on the video, and it should be within a couple videos of mine, well, if you're on my page. So what we're going to do, this is all one group, and to clone this, there's 4 objects. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. And then I'm going to take that piece right there and go up to Edit and Clone, and then move it up. Take that piece, Edit, Clone, move it up. That piece, Edit, Clone, move it up. Edit, Clone, move it up. This is our clone curve. This is our control curve. So we can move this out of the way for a second. We're going to group this together to move it back. And then I'm going to Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it 45 degrees. Now, in just a second, I'm going to have to grab it all and ungroup it all. Now, here's our, you know what, and we're going to bring in a black box. That'll help us kind of see. I like showing it off on a black box. All you have to do, and I'm sure you watch clone videos or my clone video, is that you take that place right there and use the interactive fill tool. Well, evidently, maybe I'm still got there we go. And if I made that white instead of black, look what it did here. And then if you took this one and made it blacker and move it around, it's just going to give you a different look. And you can even change colors. Look at that. And then if you change this one we didn't color in, if you remember. So I'm just going to hold down the control button and click on black and make it a little blacker. And look what it's doing to the center one. You know, I really don't like this as much as this one. So let's take this one again. And that's what's cool about the clone. You're getting to see it in real time. And if you didn't like that blue, go back to that blue. And that really looks pretty good. And maybe put a little more white in there. And, you know, as far as that's concerned, you could make this one red. I don't like it. But anyway, that's and see, you get to, I like this white peak up here, but I'm starting to like this too. And, you know, just take it and get back to the, I think we had dark up here. You see it just, especially on a dark shirt or a dark background, it kind of blends in. And maybe we got too much white, but look at that. You know, you get to see it as you're going. I like really just a little bit of white in it. And then let's do the same thing to this one. This one has not been interactive fill. Look at that. And look at this. Okay, we got that. Now turn our handles and completely get a different look. Now, as always, to get rid of this, is you've got to select everything, go up to object, and break the objects apart. Because if you don't, and you get rid of this, it'll get rid of all of them. Anyway, just an idea on the clone tool, and thank you for watching.